Ami annyeong! So today I'll be unboxing merch box 7, which is the clear bag. This was the last item I chose for my membership term. It wasn't something that attracted me at first sight, but I'm thinking it could be useful for travel. So let's have a look together and see. I wasn't sure about the quality of a PVC bag and how well it will last over time. It's actually a pretty good size. I referred to measurements on Weaver's shop and considered this bag for my PTD Las Vegas trip, but the height is a tad too big for Allegiant Stadium requirements, though I did see fans going past security with this, so I think they were a bit flexible on the day. So wow, straight off the bat, it looks really spacious. And I can already see myself using this bag for sure. We've got the goodies in the front pocket. In the front zip, it's very nice and smooth. I'll just remove all the inclusions and we'll go through them one by one. I'm loving how nice the zip runs. If you've seen my other unboxings, you know I really love good zippers, so this one definitely passes the test. Here's the side view. I love that they use big rings for the zipper tabs. It makes it really easy to attach all the different types of key rings in your collection. And even looping luggage tags isn't an issue. There's a D-ring here to attach the strap when carrying as a shoulder bag. And yeah, I'm just loving the zips. There's easy access for your power bank here. A front slit pocket with these 3 holes for pins. The bag with the D-rings, and this is how the main compartment looks. It's super spacious with these elastic bands on the side to hold your light stick in place. I'm gonna try placing my 13-inch MacBook in here. I never really thought to measure if it fits before getting the bag, but it does, and there's plenty of space still, which is great. This is a plus because I bring the MacBook with me when I travel, and wow, the bag stands upright as well. I've got my army bomb here. And there we go. Very secure with the elastic band around it. If you have a second one that you're carrying for a friend, or in my case my husband's, it also fits on the other side. Perfect. Let's see if it will fit my water bottle. Oh yes, it does. Fantastic. Now I wanted to show you the front pocket because it's a substantial size. See how spacious it is from the side? I think this is a well thought of design. Okay, so here's the fun part. I don't have a big pin collection, but here are some of my favorites. This one by Janet Lee is the army logo surrounded by floral emblems of Australia. I love this design a lot, and I'll leave a link below to her online store if you'd like to check it out. I think it's great that this clear bag allows you to personalize with pins. It's a simple and inexpensive way of expressing yourself and making the bag your own. Then I've also got the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals pin, which is a gift from a dear friend. This was the retail version of the pin worn by BTS, where theirs had crystals on. And I'm just gonna pin that here. I just remembered I bought all these BT21 Swing pin badges when I visited Las Vegas, and I finally found a perfect use for them. Oh my gosh, how cute are they? The Kim line here swinging at the bottom. They're the perfect size as well for this bag, and wow, I'm over the moon because I have all 7 of them, so I can change them around to get so many different variations. Yeah. Let's try to color coordinate. Oh, this is so sweet. I'm absolutely loving this. And here I've got the red line and the Magne line. Moving on to the straps. Nice, wide and adjustable with BTS and ARMY logos on both sides. Good to note that the clips are plastic and not metal, so I'm not sure how well this will wear over time because plastic can crack and break. I would have preferred metal, but I guess it goes with the aesthetic of the strap, keeping it all in white. This is how you attach it to wear as a backpack. So you can hear that plastic sound, but I guess it won't be too obvious when you have the bag on. Then to wear crossbody or as a shoulder bag, just attach the straps to the D-rings on each side. I'm glad they included a drawstring pouch, which I feel is essential for clear bags. You can store your wallet, keys, passport, and anything important that you want to keep discreet from the public eye. Here is the user guide with clear illustrations on the different ways to use the bag. It's super versatile, which is what I look for in all my bags pretty much. Nice polyester material that's water resistant and in a good size. I'll definitely be using this with my bag. Next up is this waist bag case, and I initially thought I won't have any use for this because we don't have a pet, but I think it's also useful for picnics and situations where you may need a waist bag. It's pretty cute and it serves a good purpose. You can loop it around to secure. And it comes with a roll of waist bags. So I had this idea to use it as a case for my hand sanitizer, but unfortunately it won't fit because they've got this here to keep the roll of bags in place. So it's alright, I'll probably just use this for what it is. Last but certainly not least, the photo cards. Ooh, so they are printed landscape, and let's have a look at the members. I love the homey feel of this. It's very relaxed, and I'm a fan of photo shoots that are styled in a more chill kind of vibe. So thank you for joining me in this unboxing. I hope you found it helpful if you're looking to get merch box 7. If you enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you could hit the like button and subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content. Until next time, annyeong!